possess a little over 3.5 decades of teaching people how to sell. So I was doing it hands-on even when I was a practicing manager myself. And over the last couple of decades, I have been doing this almost full time. Now, in a varied kind of business environment where you're exposed to, things like B2B, B2C, direct selling, institutional selling, and then you have words, like general trade, modern trade. I have had exposure to all of them and to various kinds of businesses ranging from fast-moving consumer goods to consumer durables, from IT products to building materials. Over the last 4 odd decades, I have been in the domain of sales and marketing, handling various kinds of products, market segments, and customers. From direct sales to channel sales, from institutional business to what is called bazaar marketing as well, and a wide range of products that have been covered from fast-moving consumer goods, consumer durables, building materials to IT services. But specifically in the context of what we are doing, I have had the opportunity and the pleasure of working very closely with companies that have been in the business of micronutrients, biostimulants, as well as drip irrigation. And on the market side of sales of products as varied as tea, masalas, and even dairy products, in helping the salespeople reach their goals, both in terms of revenue as well as securing customer delight. So this has been my experience, very vast, very wide, and I would like to bring to the table lessons from various business segments, not only from agri-business.